morning. My name is Parvesh Rudra. I'm from United Driver Training School from Mississauga. We are over 30 years in the business, and I'm going to give a lesson to Mr. Mandeep Singh, and he will follow my directions step by step. So
Yes.
whenever you're ready, you have your seat belt.
Yes.
Get your car started. Once your car gets started, stay on the brakes
Okay.
and release the parking brake and check your dashboard. Make sure there's no red light, no parking light. Give a proper signal and observe both sides before you proceed out, and proceed out slowly.
Okay.
Ease up on your brake pedal, observe both sides. You could start steering, and now you start to ease up on the steering wheel and start to give a little bit gas. On this driveway, you make a left-hand turn. Check on your right side. Now we're going to head back to the street. You're going to make a right-hand turn. Check your left side. Left signal and check both sides. And watch behind the trucks so you don't miss anything.
Okay.
Recheck and let's go. Gradually pick up your speed and you stay in the left lane because we're turning left on the next coming intersection. Otherwise you were supposed to go back to the right lane whenever safe and possible.
Okay.
Stay behind the vehicle in your own lane and maintain the gap to be stopped so that you could see their bumper.
Yes.
Observe both sides. See what kind of traffic signal it is. So that's most important. Sometimes there could be a modern signal. They might be saying special left turn signals or preference arrow. Check for all this thing here. Also prepare yourself. Check for the crosswalk. See that how many cars will be opposing traffic, and if you could observe the speed limits, observe the speed limit. Just relax, get yourself ready, and don't make rush.
Okay.
The first car, when it stop on the intersection or red light, they're supposed to check both sides before they proceed in. Do you know why?
To make sure the cross traffic has stopped.
Good. Cross traffic has stopped. Whenever it is safe, you could make your left turn from left lane to the left lane, and then go back to the right lane whenever safe to do so. Signal, mirror, look over the shoulder. They call them a smog. Signal, mirror, look over the shoulder.
Okay.
Okay. Check both sides. Still on the intersection, there is nothing granted. Whenever possible, go back to the right lane again, please.
Okay.
Yeah, now blind spot is clear. Make a right hand turn here. Signal, mirror, look over the shoulder. Watch your blind spots. Now, what is the first sign you see here?
Speed limit sign 40
Good.
maximum.
Good. Speed will be changing time to time, place to place, so check it out.
Okay.
Next street, make a right hand turn. Don't give signal too early or too late. Stop. You must stop before the stop line. That's one legal position. Or before the crosswalk. Or third, before the edge of the roadway. Everything clear, you could complete your turn, sir. Make a right hand turn. Complete stop.
Okay.
right hand turn on this intersection, please. Now the difference between this and previous intersection, they have a three-way stop sign, but this one is a single stop sign. You stop and must check the cross traffic. Once it's clear, then you could only make a turn.
Okay.
The moving traffic always have the right of way. You complete your turn since nobody's there. Now pull over to the side. After giving right signal, checking the shoulder and make a 3-point turn. I'm going to show you exactly how to make a 3-point turn.
Okay.
Now check and give left signal. Check both sides. Ease up brake pedal and steer left, please, in the direction of your shoulder while you're observing. Cover up your brakes and slow down. Start to be straight up the tires while you're moving. Ease up a little bit and just stop without hitting. Good. Your wheels are straight.
Yes.
Put into reverse gear. Give right signal and you're going to steer to the right. Everything starts with R. Check left and look right back and start to steer right. Cover up your brakes. Once you pass half, check your left side now. Straight up the tire and watch that you don't hit the curb. Look back a little bit. Yeah, very good. Put into drive. Left signal. Check right. Look left and go left. You could going straight.
Okay.
This part you're going to learn how to negotiate the curb. When you negotiate the curb, you slow down. Stay in your own area, look further away, watch your speed, and when you're coming out, you gradually give a gas and pick up your speed and ease up on your steering wheel to straight it up.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to repeat the same exercise on the next one. That's what I'm going to see. Lots of people, they run out of the road because they were driving too fast. So they call them learn to negotiate the curb.
Okay.
Slow down with the curb.
So slow down, stay in your lane,
Yeah,
look in the direction where I want to go.
good. Make a right hand turn, please. Now, there's no stop line. So where are you going to stop?
Before the sidewalk,
Good, before the crosswalk.
crosswalk.
Before the crosswalk, if no crosswalk, before the sidewalk.
Okay.
Okay, you could creep up a little bit so that you could clearly see the view. So clear view is the biggest one trick.
Okay. And if it's clear, then I can just go.
Then you could just go. Before we head back to the parking lot again, we're just going to do one more exercise, which is uphill and downhill parkings. Examiner always test them when you go to the test centers for driving test.
Okay.
You could go ahead straight. Now, when you're in this kind of small neighborhood, still keep observing. You go to the park, keep observing. There could be kids with their dog. Turn right, please. And you have to do it safely by covering the brake, checking both sides. Very good. So gradually pick up your speed and ease up on your steering wheel. Looking far up. Always just remember the principle. Look far away. Keep your eyes moving. Get a big picture. Make sure you see them, they see you.
Okay.
Now, can you see over there? Two trees are there. You're going to do it uphill parking here with the curve. Okay. Check the rear view mirror. Give a right signal. Cover up your brake and slow down. And there's a hill with the curve. So once you park uphill with the curve, you angle the wheels to the left. All the way, you lock them up. Then park and apply the parking brake. Good. When you apply the parking brake, you don't touch the switch. You just pull it. Once you pull it, you should be able to hear the click.
Okay.
So that's why you do it. Now, your wheels, which is wheel on the right side with the curve, is exactly lock up to the curve, and the vehicle is straight.
Yes.
So now when we get out and we go away, so vehicle doesn't roll back into the street, so
Yes.
it will be locked up with the curb. You understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, you may proceed now.
Okay.
Release the parking brake, put into the drive gear, give left signal and check. Check also your shoulder and little bit gas and straight up your wheel while you're moving up. Very good. Very good. You done wonderful. Let's repeat it one more time before we head back to the parking lot.
Okay.
You do it by yourself. So I want to see how much you learned.
Okay.
Very good. Signal. Check. Oh, you're supposed to be steer first before you put into park,
Okay.
so that you don't do dry steering. So that's known as a dry steering. So dry steering is no good for your car.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one mistake. Proceed out, please.